Hello students, welcome in ninth Maths Part 2 class. We have studied a triangle. In that triangle, we have taken the information regarding a different theorem, that is angle bisector, perpendicular, etc. Today we are going to study inequality of sides of a triangle. In this, you have to do one activity. This activity you have to do like this: x, y, z. You construct a one triangle with a having x, z side is greater than side x, y, and measure the angle z and y. What you will get? You see which angle is greater than other angle. You have to note it. Next, we are going to study the property of inequality of sides of triangle, angles of a triangle. Here, one theorem is given. In this theorem, two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the greater side is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side. Here, one triangle is given x, y, z, and in this, the side xz is greater than side xy. Then what we have to prove, that is angle XYZ is greater than angle XZY. We have to prove. Before that proving, we have to do the construction. In this construction, we have to take a P point on XZ side, which is makes the distance of XY is equal to distance of XP. Means two sides are equal. We are made, that is XY and XP. With taking this consideration, this triangle, that is triangle XYP, in this the side XY is equal to side XP. It is according to construction. So that angle, this XYP is equal to angle XPY. Isosceles triangle theorem. The sides are equal, then opposite angle of that side is equal. So that here we are taking this angle XPY is a exterior angle of a triangle XPZ. Here, here is one triangle. See here, that is a triangle YPZ. Of this angle is XPY is a exterior angle of this triangle. So that exterior angle is greater than interior angle. So here it is given that is angle XPY is greater than angle PZY, exterior angle theorem. This angle is greater than this angle. And then see that from 1, angle XYP is greater than angle PZY from 1. Therefore, XYP plus angle PYZ is greater than angle PZY. If A is greater than B and C is greater than 0, then A plus C is greater than B. Therefore, we get that angle XYP is greater than angle PZY. So that this angle XYZ is greater than angle XZP. Means this angle, this full angle is greater than this Z angle. It is proved. In next theorem, if two angles of a triangle are unequal, then the side opposite to the greater is greater than the side opposite to smaller. So here three possibilities are given, and these three possibilities are, that is, we have to see here what is given. This triangle ABC is given. In this angle B is greater than angle C. What we have to prove? This side AC is greater than side AB. So that these three possibilities we are going to see in this that is only one possibility will be correct one. So that here one possibility is given that AC is less than AB. Second possibility is AC is equal to AB, and third possibility is that AC is greater than AB. Therefore, first possibility we are going to test if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to greater side is a greater. Therefore, angle C is greater than angle B, but angle C is less than B. It is given. Therefore, this is greater contradictory. This creates a contradictory, means this possibility is not uh, uh, possible, so that AC is less than AB is a wrong, means it is contradictory. Then the second possibilities we are going to see that AC is equal to AB. If the AC is equal to AB, then angle also it must be equal, so that angle B is equal to angle C. This B is equal to angle C, but the angle B is a greater than angle C. It is given, so that this creates a contradiction, and so that therefore AC is not equal to AB is wrong. Therefore, AC is greater than AB is the only remaining possibility. Means this possibility remaining, and that is a true, so that this AC is greater than AB. Means it is uh, taken with three possibilities, and this one is matching with that given, and we have proved that the AC is greater than AB. And next one, Samir is standing at a C point, and he reached the shop from C to A. Instead of going this C to B, B to A, he reached from way, he chose the way that is C to A. Because this AC is shorter than going from C to B and B to A. Then, so which property of a triangle had realized? Means with this figure, we are going to realize one property. These are the two sides of triangle, and this is one side of a triangle. This measure will be more than this one side, so that we are going to study in this theorem. Here this theorem is given that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side of the triangle. So that here this is a triangle ABC is any triangle. Here ABC is any triangle taken, and in this we have to prove that AB plus AC is greater than BC, and second is that AB plus BC is greater than AC, and third is AC plus BC is greater than this AB. So that here one construction is done on a D. This is D point is taken on the side AB, and that made a distance AD is equal to AB. Sorry, AD is equal to AC. This AD is whatever distance we are taken, that is equal to this AC. So that here one triangle is formed, that is triangle ACD. In this side AD is equal to side AC. Here it is given AC is equal to AD here. So that this is angle ACD is equal to angle ADC, because these two sides are equal. So that here we are considering that this, again we are taking the consideration that is angle ACD plus angle AC B, means full angle here is taken in this, and this angle ACD plus angle ACB is greater than angle ADC. This angle is smaller than this, means this is angle this angle is less than this, means smaller than this, means we are taking this, that is angle BCD. Angle BCD means full angle is greater than this angle ADC, this angle. So that here side AD is greater than side BC. BD is greater than BC. It is opposite to the greater angle is greater. Therefore, BA plus AD is greater than BC, so that BD is equal to BA plus AD, and AB BA plus AC is greater than BC, so that AD is equal to AC. Similarly, we can prove that AB plus BC is greater than AC, and BC plus AC is greater than AB. You take this theorem, write, and solve the examples of problem set. And if you get any problem, you ask me on phone. We will discuss it. And thank you. You do this theorem and write it.